Hello and welcome back to my another vlog. And yes, you can see I am heading towards ITC hotel. One of my friend from Calcutta has arrived here, so she is very close. I will give you the surprise who is she, and I will surely make you meet with her. And yes, let's go inside the hotel and check out where is she.
Seating 26.
I am experiencing five-star hotel in Mumbai for the first time, whereas in Kolkata I used to be there all the time. Hence, she's there right behind the door, and she's yes none other than Ria. Ria from Kolkata. She's very close friend of mine. Once upon a time, we used to sit together, and we used to party. We used to talk night after night, day after day. And after meeting her after so long, we just have cherished the moment and refreshed our past with her. Me trying to give you a quick room tour of ITC hotel, which is near to airport, and it is a huge spacious room, I must say, because there's a four rooms a club together, and it is like huge. Price of the room is very huge, that you can understand with the space. It is higher than Kolkata ITC. In fact, the Kolkata ITC, whether it is ITC hotel or the Royal ITC Royal, both the rooms are not that as big as in it is in Mumbai. It is very lavishing and very nice. I just have enjoyed. And this is the kitchen of ITC hotel room, means the private room, suite, I can say. I don't know what it is called here. There is a dining area, there is a living room area, there is a bedroom, and lot more. And I and Ria have lot and lots of memories. So we just sat there and talked to each other. There are also different kinds of food variations. Also, she ordered so many things for me and Lovey, but we don't eat so much, so everything has went to our waste. This view is from the window of the room. You can see. After having breakfast, we went to Lokhandwala market to do some kind of a shopping, where Ria took so many things. I did not, because I did not like the collections. You can say, rather I can go anytime and collect it. I was not prepared for the shopping, so I just skipped. It is so humid outside. We came back quickly in 10-15 minutes and had a lunch, where I took food salad, and Ria is making Lovey have some food, whatever she prefer. Ria is making her feed the thing. So I'm just relaxing myself and enjoying my fruit salad. After having lunch, we lean for a while to take rest. We are feeling very sleepy by that time.
তোকে দেখাতে চুল দেখ টিভি বন্ধ হয়ে গেল আমি তুই আর লাভি উত্তেরি দেখলি পড়ে গেলি উল্টা ধরে আছি দাও
Labhi was enjoying a lot there, because here in Mumbai there's no relative, no place to go. So kids of her age tend to become very bored with staying here with parents and at home. So this kind of a change she liked a lot. In the evening, Ria organized some party for Lovey's birthday, because Lovey's birthday is not now at the moment, but she cannot able to come back on time when she will be having her birthday. So she has just made some arrangement and she surprised Lovey and me with this amazing surprise by celebrating